In this report, I'm going to tell you why the big Tesla Giga Berlin tax blessing is unlikely for now. Tesla has applied for hundreds of millions of euros in funding for its Berlin Gigafactory and is likely to get it. Conversely, the state also hopes for tax revenue from Giga Berlin, from the Grünheide plant of Tesla, but that should be a long time coming. I'm going to explain you why. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up, please, if you like this coverage. For Philip Barnsport reports from RBB24, he says Tesla is already paying some minor taxes in Germany. Almost 3 million euros in real estate transfer tax were due for the property of Giga Berlin. Brandenburg can look forward to it. The municipality of Grünheide, Oder-Spree, on the other hand, receives the current 5-digit property tax for the purchased land. The community treasury, however, expects this income to rise into the 6-figure range once Tesla has finished building and the value of the property increases accordingly. So it looks like for now small tax revenue from Giga Berlin is coming to the state, and the German people are looking forward to it. For Grünheide, with this roughly 20 million households, such sums are not peanuts, but the tax authorities in this country will have to wait a few years for the really big chunks, namely millions in income tax. There are several reasons for this. Did I say 20 million? I should have said 20,000 people approximately living in Grünheide. Now, we're talking about Tesla growth instead of profit, at least for now, friends. In Germany, Tesla only has to pay income taxes such as trade and corporation tax on those profits that Tesla generates here in their Grünheide plant at Giga Berlin. The company wants to produce cars there. Of course, it is uncertain when Tesla will consistently earn money by selling cars. We have to wait until the Giga Berlin gets its final permit and the taxes are coming from the profits. The contract numbers presented on Tuesday show 962 million as profit from car sales, but that could change again soon because Tesla continues to focus on growth instead of profit. Tesla is investing a lot in the future, for example, in the global sales system. New factories and more superchargers are also being built, says economist and car expert Ferdinand Dudenhofer. It is, of course, difficult in those early days to earn money with the basic business. Dudenhofer, therefore, does not expect big profits at Tesla Giga Berlin in the next 2 or 3 years. We have to be kind of patient, everyone, until Tesla starts making money from Giga Berlin. Now, golden times for the treasury coming ahead, possibly. Tesla's growth strategy can also be seen in the dimensions in Grünheide. This year, Tesla has sold almost 400,000 cars worldwide so far. In the future, the Grünheide plant all alone will produce 500,000 Tesla vehicles, electric vehicles, per year. Then potentially golden times will down for the German tax authorities from Giga Berlin, because if only 2% of the purchase price per new car remains with the company as profit, taxes in the 3-digit million range will theoretically be due for the federal government, Brandenburg and Grünheide. And a 2% profit margin doesn't seem unrealistic. For comparison, Mercedes makes around 12% of the purchase price as a profit. At Volkswagen, there is 5% as profit from each car purchased from dealership. Now, Tesla can deduct Giga Berlin factory construction from its tax. This means for now less taxes for the German authorities because it's an investment. But the calculation is not that simple, like I said. If Tesla makes money with the Grünheide Giga Berlin plant, the company can initially deduct its investment from tax. Therefore, we have to be kind of patient in Germany. After all, the company cannot sell the multi-billion-dollar factory construction all at once in the first year, but has to stretch the depreciation over several years. The tax officials could at least tax part of the company's profits from the start. But a special ability of international corporations like Tesla is likely for further reduced profits and thus also the tax revenue in the country. They can at least move their profits to countries where they have to pay particularly little taxes. Here's a quote I want to present you. The advisors are obliged by the shareholders to take advantage of such tax structuring options because that is cash for the shareholders, explains Andreas Musil, tax lawyer at the University of Potsdam, telling to RBB24, which is Brandenburg's public radio. He says, as a taxpayer, I honestly find this thinking absurd, but from a corporate point of view, that's logical. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Tesla insurance in Malta, their tax consequences, and what it has to do in regard to Giga Berlin in Germany. Tesla is likely to be no exception. For example, the company founded its European insurance company in Malta, which is known for its low corporate taxes. Did you know about that? This is why Tesla founded the European insurance in Malta. And there are other ways to get profits out of Germany. If, for example, the German subsidiary has to pay license fees to the parent company for the Tesla name, it can claim that as a cost and reduce the profit here, explains tax lawyer Musil. However, as a car manufacturer, Tesla has its limits here. Google and Amazon can easily earn money across Europe and only pay taxes in Ireland because they are particularly flexible with their digital services. Selling electric cars by Tesla is not a digital service. Tesla, on the other hand, has a specific factory in Grünheide. It's not a digital thing and therefore cannot choose its place of business at will. Friends, in addition, the authorities are not entirely powerless. 131 states are currently joining forces to enforce a global minimum tax for companies. This is good for people. In the European Union, the tax authorities have been working together since last year within the framework of the Directive of Administrative Corporation. It's called DAC, in order to gain an advantage over companies. Tesla Giga Berlin's employees, however, already pay taxes now because there are lots of people already working at Giga Berlin and they pay taxes, and this is already good news for Germany, for Brandenburg, and for Grünheide, where Tesla is building and almost finished building the Gigafactory Berlin. So what is the bottom line? RBB says because of Tesla's permanent reinvestment, the high investments in Grünheide, which the company can sell, and the tax structure options, the great Tesla tax blessing for the local authorities is likely to be years away. But the federal government, Brandenburg, and Grünheide are not left empty-handed. Tesla has already hired employees and they pay income tax on their allegedly quite lush Tesla wages. The value-added tax is also likely to rise due to the additional consumption and the hoped for suppliers, and medium-sized companies cannot shift their profits abroad as easily as their international clients. Well, friends, let me know your thoughts about this. Tell me in the comment section below what do you think about Tesla taxes in Giga Berlin. In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and have a great day. Give us thumbs up, please, if you like this report, and I'll see you soon in our next Tesla report.